Welcome back to another video. Today I just want to give a very raw strategy trade recap. Now, coming into session, clear point of interest right there, supply zone. So also overall downtrend. So in my forecast I already posted that I wanted to see a move down. After that, 15 minutes, we have the Asian session, which is kind of tricky, so that's good. Asian high is right there. That gets swept. We're between our time zone of 7 and 10. Now, I'll be honest with you, I did not take this trade. And why? It's literally to my plan. I just didn't see it. Genuinely, this is like a really big mistake on my part. And I just want to come out with this and just tell you that this was a missed trade. So I'll tell you what happened. I was looking on the 3 minute like this. Now here there is no entry model. Nowhere is there an entry model. Only there is a potential entry model to, you know, go like that potentially. Something like that. Go up to EQ and go down. That would be the entry model. I didn't realize I was on the 3 minute. I looked on the 1 minute and there was a clean entry model. Break, imbalance, enter at the 50%. The 5 pip minimum. Look at that. This is literally simple trade I just missed. So it just shows that strategy isn't the issue. It's you. It's genuinely you. Like it's the person who you have to show up and execute. I showed up. I don't know. I just didn't execute. I didn't see this trade, and it's gone to a almost a 4 risk to reward. So I mean, this would have helped so many of my funding challenges genuinely. And because I'm currently in drawdown on the 50K, I'm down 4, and also on my phase 2, I'm down 7. So I mean, I still have 3 trades, but this would have like given that boost and just helped me, start clearing these accounts and stuff. But yeah, I've journaled this mistrade as well. It's very annoying and frustrating when these things happen, but this is the reality, and I don't know if it's happened to you, but this just happened to me, and genuinely, it's a lesson. It's a big lesson, and I believe it's happened for a reason, and I just have to learn from it and move on, and show up tomorrow same way I showed up today. That's about it. That's pretty much just wanted to make this video. Live trading making 0% or $0. And yeah, mistrade, gutted, annoyed, but it is what it is. I'll see you on Friday. Happy trading. Stay safe.